Atlantis Air Balloon. Dubai. Great Christmas Day experience.
Howdy guys! Samahan nyo kami ng family ko dito sa Atlantis. Iikot namin kayo dito sa magandang hotel na to. But first, let us enjoy this air balloon experience with my daughters Gian and Jillian. Ayan, picture muna for souvenir. And kami ay dumating dito around 8 o'clock in the morning kasi we are scheduled to board this air balloon with my daughters lang naman kasi kami ni Dr. Dick ay nandito lang naghihintay. Ayan sila. They are escorted inside this air balloon. And this is December 25. It's a Christmas day. Yes, yesterday po ang dami-daming tao, mahaba ang pila. But today, napakaswerte namin. Walang pila, walang tao. Private ang dating. Si Gian lang at si Jillian ang nakaboard dito sa air balloon. O diba, ang swerte namin. It's Christmas Day. So guys, ayan, tingnan natin how they go about with this air balloon. The flight of this balloon depends on the wind and it could change anytime. Kaya merong mga chances na nakakancel ang inyong air balloon ride. But today, swerte ang daughters ko because it is a good weather. Maganda ang flow ng air, so mai-enjoy nila itong air balloon. So they advise that you please check the weather forecast before visiting the Dubai balloon. Kasi nga, pwedeng makancel ang inyong schedule. Okay, so it might look sunny but the winds could be strong at a higher altitude. So minsan, mas maaga silang bumababa. Okay, so swerte-swerte lang yan kung maganda ang weather at ang wind. And for today, mukhang sinerte ang mga anak ko. So ayan, let's watch them. As the Dubai balloon at Atlantis operates at a height of up to 300 meters, the weather plays an integral role in when the traction can be opened and how high it can fly. A dedicated team of pilots will monitor the weather at all times as your safety and security are our top priority, sabi nila. This means that there may be times when they will not be able to operate the balloon due to the weather condition, as sinabi ko nga kanina. We know that this is an activity that all are excited and looking forward. To avoid disappointments, they suggest that you better check po muna the weather before booking for this adventure. And you will experience here in the balloon the stunning view of the iconic Palm Jumeirah, the Dubai skyline and its record-breaking landmarks like the Atlantis, the Riyal, Burj Al Arab, Burj Khalifa, and a lot more. Kaya ayan, nag-enjoy sa taas ang aking daughters, pero kung meron kang fear of heights, medyo lakas-lakas lang ng loob. For them to go down, andito kami ni Doc Dick, picture muna dito sa area ng kanilang cafe. Ayan, pa-relax muna tayo. Ayan, they have this Dubai Balloon Cafe. Yes, masarap din po magpa-relax dito. A brew with a view. Usually, mga around 10 minutes kayong nasa taas. And today, kasi nga walang tao, ay more than 10 minutes sila. At dito na ngayon ang kanilang pagbaba. Ay pababa na po sila. At tapos na ang kanilang picture sa taas. And we will see them later. Pag kayo po ang nag-avail ng pass, the child is charged 125 dirhams and the adult is 275 dirhams. At may complimentary na beverage yan po doon sa kanilang lounge. O diba? Enjoy. And you can also have an exclusive flight. So if you're looking for a private experience, kagaya na experience ng anak ko, pero ito, hindi kami nag-book for an exclusive flight. Nagkataon lang na walang tao. Okay, so pag exclusive, it means to say kayo lang talaga ang sakay. Walang ibang makakasabay na hindi nyo kagrupo or kasama. But it is also 10 minutes flight, okay? And you will enjoy priority boarding and complimentary drink in the Dubai Balloon Lounge after your flight. O diba, enjoy? Yun ang nangyari sa mga anak ko. Kahit hindi kami nag-book ng exclusive, nagmukhang exclusive kasi nga nagkataon pong walang tao. So, nakita nyo kanina sa entrance, ang bilis silang nakapasok kasi wala silang kasabay. Sila lang talaga. Kami lang po talaga ang nandito hanggang sa oras na ito. Ayan, nagchika-chika pa sa mga staff. Mababait po sila rito. Iba-ibang nationalities po ang nandito na kasama namin. And they are enjoying Christmas kasi nga po this is Christmas Day. Ayan, nakasantahat pa po ang iba. O, diba? Enjoy tayo, guys. Let's look around this beautiful hotel. So, our pass is a sunrise pass, and for child, it's 100 dirhams, and for adult, it's 200 dirhams. And the sunrise pass can vary according to the time of the sunrise or in the month that you go there. So, depende yun. Pwedeng 6:30, 7 o'clock, or 8 to 9. Kami po, we were scheduled at 7 o'clock. Pero nakaboard sila around 8 o'clock in the morning. So, ayan guys, nakababa na ang daughters ko. Nasa lubong na namin sila dito. Ayan, picture-picture kami as a family. Family picture namin for Christmas souvenir dito sa Atlantis. So, ayan, ang ganda ng view. Pagbaba nyo po from the cafe, wow! Makikita nyo doon sa surrounding area, diba? So, relaxing. Andito po sa ground floor ng building, makikita nyo ang inyong mga pictures doon sa loob ng air balloon. At kayo po ay pwedeng pumili at magpa-develop at kumuha ng frame according to your desire. Ayan, mga picture ni Gian at Jillian sa loob ng air balloon. Ayan, we purchased that picture. Yan po ang naging souvenir nila dito sa Dubai Atlantis Air Balloon. Makikita nyo po ang iba pang mga merchandise which you can buy as your souvenir for your visit here sa Dubai Air Balloon. Mga picture frames na paglalagyan ng picture nyo. Yan po ang pinili namin for Gian and Jillian. At they're so happy to have them kasi nga once in a lifetime experience, pero they're interested to come back in this beautiful place. And this is one of their mga bucket list for future travel daw. O yan guys, diba? Ang ganda ng view, ang ganda ng ambience, ang sarap mag-relax dito sa Atlantis. Ayun ang train sa taas. You can board the train going here, the Atlantis Hotel. Okay, ayan. Ang kanilang seashore. May mga palm trees, diba? Ang ganda ng view guys. Ayan na po ang Atlantis Hotel. You see, it's so amazing. At papasok po tayo mamaya sa loob to enjoy the grandeur and the beauty of the interior of this hotel. Yan guys, let's go! Yes! Pero bago tayo pumasok, lakad-lakad muna tayo dito. Ang ganda ng beach nila, diba? Oh, ayan. Ang sarap magpalakad-lakad dito early this morning. Ang ganda ng weather. Hindi siya mainit. Kahit may araw, hindi po masakit sa balat. Ang sarap pong maglakad-lakad dito. At napakatahimik kasi nga wala pa po masyadong gising na tao. Kasi mga puyat sila kasi Christmas Eve po kagabi. And today is Christmas Day. Pero kami pa lang ang tao dito. Kaya na-enjoy namin. Yeah, we go around this place. Palakad-lakad kami, pa-picture-picture. Walang photo bombers. Napaka-good ng timing namin to visit this place. Pero pagpasok, ayan na po sila. Meron na tayong mga kasamang mga guest dito sa hotel. Kasi po, hindi po tayo pwedeng pumasok sa hotel na ito kung wala po tayong official visit or reservation or activity na gagawin. So, nagkaroon kami ng access because we reserve for the hot air balloon. And pwede rin naman na magpa-reserve kayo sa mga resto para makapasok lang po dito sa hotel kasi magkakaroon po kayo ng tag. kakabit po ang tag para pag nakita ng guard, alam nila na meron kayong business dito sa hotel or you have an activity or you have a reservation. So, ayan po, ang ganda ng ceiling, guys. Look at that. O, diba? So amazing. Ayan, ang mga daughters ko po ay talagang nagustuhan itong hotel. Okay, let's go guys sa ibang part nitong hotel. Ayan si Doc Dick, palakad-lakad na po doon sa mga boutique areas. At yan si Gian and Jillian, they like looking around this beautiful hotel. So ayan guys, tingnan nyo ang ceiling, ang ganda-ganda ng kanilang design dito. And look at this huge aquarium. You can see a lot of marine lives, diverse marine lives inside this aquarium. At dito naman ang Kaleidoscope Restaurant. You will enjoy buffet meals dito, quite expensive pero sulit. And here is the hallway again with boutiques left and right. And when you go straight, makikita nyo rin dito ang Starbucks Cafe. These are the mugs. Yan, souvenirs from Dubai. This is also a collection that I do every time I visit the country. Ayan. More souvenirs. And here is the Lost Chamber Aquarium. And here you can find a lot of marine lives. Lost City of Atlantis. Okay guys, ayan, ikot pa more and look at this wonderful ceiling. Ito ang isa sa pinaka-favorite kong design dito sa Atlantis, itong amazing ceiling nila. And here are more restos in the hotel. Ayan, marami po kayong pagpipilian ditong kainan. Ayan, kayo na lang po ang mamili kung anong klaseng menu ang gusto nyo. Okay, so let's go! You can have a lot of activities in this hotel. Ayan guys, when you go straight forward, ayan, madami pa kayong makikita ditong pwede nyong i-enjoy na activities and mga restos. So talagang nagustuhan ng kids ko dito. Dream nilang makabalik dito sa hotel na to. At also, you can find some things that you need. Okay, sa mga boutiques nila dito and mga souvenir items. Ayan. Marami silang for sale na magagamit nyo while staying in this hotel. And in this Lost Chamber, yan, makakamit kayo ng iba't ibang klaseng animals, marines, sharks, yan, stingrays, makikita nyo po dyan. And you can have your souvenir items after the visit sa Lost Chamber. Ayan guys, look at this. Ayan, o diba? So amazing, nice collections of marine lives. At si Dr. Dick, na gustuhan niya ito. Nare-relax daw siya pag nakikita niya itong mga fish, stingrays. Ayan siya, oh, ini-enjoy niya yung mga animals na ito. The sea water marine animals na ito. Wow, so relaxing daw para sa kanya, having a moment with these creatures.